Hello guys, my name is Armin. In today's episode, I want to introduce you to a temporary view properties. So this is a great tool in Revit. It basically gives you the option to work in a specific view, make all the changes to the view that you're in, and then when you get out of it, it basically reverse all the changes that you do to the original view that you had. So it's a great tool. It basically works as a sandbox for you. You can go over there, make all the changes. If you have a different template for the views, you can apply all of those in a temporary view, and then when you basically restore, it shows you all the original view that you have. So it's not going to change anything in your original Revit model. It basically gives you an opportunity to look and make changes in a temporary view to see how your design look like. For temporary view properties, you can go down over here. You can see you have all the shaded. Basically, that's a temporary view properties. Basically, you can make changes to anything that you want inside your U view and can reverse. So most of the time, you can see everything is kind of grayed out when you go down, and that's because you are working in templated view. You can hit VV, everything grayed out. You cannot change any changes over here. So you can kind of go to the identity data view template, and you can select none. It basically open up. This has got nothing to do with the view properties. It's just basically a tip. Each time you go over there, you want to change it to shaded or frame or rendered. So if it's not available, you can kind of go to the view template and change. So right here, enable view temporary properties. It basically give you ability to work in a temp view, change the properties, make all the changes, and when you restore the view, it basically take it back to the original properties that you have. So right here, let's just select this wall. I want to hide the entire category. I want to see what's going on behind that wall, and if there is any changes, I want to make a change and see if there is something is gonna move or adjust inside this area. So I'm gonna remove it, take a look, everything is good, and keep in mind, I'm in temporary view properties. When I'm done with all of these changes, seeing what's going on, I can basically go back to the temporary view and restore the view property. So it's going to take me back to the original view that I had. So this is going to help me to make all the changes in a temporary view, see what is going on with my model, changing the object, changing the colors, moving stuff, deleting, and when I restore it, it basically go back to the original view that I have. The next option is a temporary apply template. You can see it here as well, is view template under the view tab. We're gonna have another video talking about all of these, how to create them. There's some created by Autodesk, but also you can create your own view template by adjusting parameters. You can also find it over here under the identity data view template, and then you can apply any of these to your view temporary properties while you're working in your view. So let's just try. So if I do a temporary view, I have already created some. I can click on any of these architectural elevation interior, and you guys can see Revit is gonna put the actual temporary view properties around it, and it's gonna apply the same template to that view. So this is really great for you to see if you have like a different templates, you want to see how your view is going to look like. This is going to be a quick check on what is going on, and also you can kind of go back and restore the view. Quick note here, as you select items, it's going to add it to the list. So if you add more elevation and view, it's going to add it to that area. So next time when you come back, you have a list of all previously selected items to go and select from. And right now I click back, restore the view. After checking my template, and everything goes back to the original view that I have. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. I am hoping that I was able to add a few tips and tricks to your toolbox. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.